Okay, I wonder what's going on in Battlecast today. I mean, it's 11, you know what happened at 11, and okay. This was my reaction when I saw Summer Lesson in Summer Diary. Yeah, and there's also extra credit things. Listen, I didn't, the previous, I did this recorded previously. I did this a few minutes ago and it failed. There was only a 10-minute video, the storage cut out, so I just deleted it. So I did some lesson stages, all the noise and teacher gorillas, zombie gorillas, I died, and all that stuff. So yeah, also I got my water cats, I don't care. I also got a little tank, a little titan, as well, over here. I don't feel like upgrading them, don't have enough experience. Kind of wasted on all the ways to do, but I got. I also, however, got a legendette. I have gotten Kuwagata cat. But can I get Kabuto cat? Can I get Kabuto cat? I don't know. I'm gonna just see if I can get Kabuto cat or Farmer. But apparently he's here too. Or I could get. How is that super lucky? That is not super lucky. That is super unlucky, if anything. Nobody wants a cat job. I wasn't like, oh my god, I can't choose. I was like, no. No. Even a person who wanted a cat job would prefer a Kuwata Bada and Kabuto. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna attempt this. Because last time I left off, I beat these two stages. They were very long stages. And I know. A third Battle Test episode in a row? That's because I have no other ideas. I really don't. So let's just do off Apple Bobbing Ocean real quickly. Anything else? No. Stop that. I said stop. Cyborg crew, get him. Beat him to a pulp. I didn't tell him I was the most happy the recording decided to just stop. Or whatever. There's so much go on. Anyways, Hades, there you go. We basically won already. Did I really just say already? I meant already. Yeah. I'm gonna save up for Catman, because from what I've heard, the stage has no traded enemies. Has like one or two, maybe. But from what I've seen, I just looked up the name and looked at the pictures of the thing. All I saw was like an elephant. Yeah, that's the only thing I really saw. I didn't even see any other colors as on the enemy's team, so yeah. I mean, Smartratsu won't do anything. But Long Neck Boy will, and look, I didn't even see his beautiful face. Isn't he adorable? No, he isn't. That's not because he looks ugly. What the hell? What the shit? Anybody notice the army of squirrels? Anybody gonna notice the army of squirrels? Paris, kill it. What was that? There's like 20 squirrels. It just killed Hades. Everything's killing Hades. Hades is now dead. Did I jinx it when I said I already won? Because the squirrels just molded through Hades. And now Catman's basically almost dead at this point. Luckily, Longest Boy has plans, you know, knocking nobody back, and the other stuff. So there's the elephant. Wasn't really paying attention that much due to the squirrel army that was massacring, you know, my most tankiest unit I have. Okay, what the hell's going on here? Guys, what are you doing? Kill this stupid thing. What are we doing? Are we killing him or no? I just think gotta wait for the cat cannon. That's the only thing I can do. The elephant's getting closer by a second. Oh no, Long Arm Boy just sniped them. That works. That was definitely an interesting stage. I only say that because it's the squirrel military force. Also, the Mola Mola Clap's coming back. Don't know what it is? You probably shouldn't, because I don't even know what it is. It's a fishy. It's a fishy that dies every 2 seconds. Not really surprised. I mean, Battlecat's it kind of collabed with Android. You know, literally Android, like the Android mascot. And a military force. I'm not joking. So I thought, I think a fishy that constantly dies isn't really shocking. Also, I beat the stage. Wow, a feather. What was it from? The armies, the sheep, the gorillas, the elephant, or the military force of squirrels? I feel like it was all of those combined. Might as well use you two. Never gonna use them, but it's nice to know I have them. Also, trying to upgrade little tank because I mean it's little tank. I'll take a meat shield for a start any day. Oh, user rank. No, I don't want your rip-off money. It's level 30. Except it's Uber's. I can't even get mine to level 20. I did get leadership, however. That's good because I only have one left. I have two. What's the next one? 10. Oh. That's a free leadership, so I'll take it. It's only 10 upgrades. I don't want your scam money. I can't even achieve that. God damn it. Well then. Let's continue. Parasol Field. Okay. Jungle. The gorillas. I called it. It's either gonna be a gorilla's gonna be in it, or the poodles are gonna be in it. None yet, but this is just a start. The bear works too. But I mean, I've beaten him many times. Trying to protect me. Literally, Hage could probably end up defeating him if he wanted to. And he does. He does want to. He really does. Don't believe me? Okay. But why is there penguins in the jungle? Does that make any sense? Okay, be like that then. You really want to do that? You really want to do that much damage to Hades? Are you sure you want to kill Hades in 2 goddamn swipes? You sure you want to do that? You sure? Hold on, boy. Get him. Get him, boy. Get him, dog. He's not a dog, he's a cat, but you know what I mean. Boop. Baby, your decision now, Mr. Bear Boy. Mr. Bear Boy, you did this now, don't you, Mr. Bear Boy? Bonk. Don't try setting anything suspicious against my wave, I'll just insta-kill it. With Catman and Big Armed Boy. If he stops missing for 1 goddamn second, that'd be great. If he starts hitting actually important shit, that'd be beautiful. There we go. He missed. He didn't even hit the hippo or anything. He just straight up missed. Okay, is the bear gonna die? That'd be kinda great, you know. Okay, we're right up in his ass. There's no way. You're gonna crit the hippo, but you can't crit a bear. Really, wrong, boy? I know he has a name. It's just that all of them have the same name. There's Tekaluga, Kubaluga, Balaluga, Nikaluga. There's even the upcoming Luga with hair. With huge hair that's the size of that bear that just died. Yeah, I don't know either. I think we just end this stage. It's getting boring. What'll I do? Summer Diary. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Of course I will. Although our Dory Cat is absolutely nothing. It's a worse version of Boogie Cat, which Boogie Cat's a worse version of any special needs. So little cat, little tank cat, coin cat, burger cat. Might as well use capsule cat as a meat shield. He dies in 1 hit from everything. Yeah, I know them. Although I count that hit him and the PPAP boy, he got deleted. So yeah. Okay, this is ridiculous. This is taking forever. This is absolute. I should probably just leave. He'd go to Target or some shit, come back, and I'd still be stuck. It'll still be just fighting constant enemies. I could upgrade my worker or cat to level 8 if I wanted to, which is the max level. There's no need for it to take this long. Also, Big Old Boy did like 80,000 damage there. What? Also finally beat the level. Wow, very cool. Wow, that's worth it. Not. Also, it's back. I don't like the Crazed tank. I really do not like the Crazed tank. I still do not like the Crazed tank. It has caused me so much suffering and pain. Even though I'd love to get Crazed Warcat. It's just not worth it. Maybe in the 12 hours I just spam watch ads, get like 90 cat food. And then maybe if I actually do that, I'll be able to beat him. But for right now, that's not happening. Unless I could have done it right now. I'm not sure. Why the hell not? Let's do it. Let's see. Get rid of you. Paris is just no. Like 5 words is excessive, but I can't really do shit about it. Let's do little macho cat up in here. I'm not gonna use the rich cat because I don't want to waste it. If I don't beat it, then I don't beat it. I'm not expecting to beat it, by the way. I just want to show you how ridiculously difficult the stage is. It doesn't need to be this hard. Like, at all. It's bullshit difficulty, really. But if I do end up beating it, then okay, sure. Here comes the gorillas. Possibly the least threatening out of the bunch. Nothing too bad, really. Great again. That. They do a shit ton of damage. Oh, kicking it not, maybe. What? Explain. Catman, I'm dying. Well, shit. You see what I mean? I almost died on that. Here comes owls. These guys are actually the least threatening. I love the owls, by the way, because they give me lots of money. They're the best ones out of the group, and I appreciate them. Although I don't like that they do a lot of damage to Hades. Hades ain't gonna survive this anyways, so no big deal, really. Bonk, upgrade. Both the owls are down, I'll get you. The ducks are here. Nothing too bad to worry about. Especially since I'm not hitting the base yet. I'll focus on leveling up though, I was like haven't used the cat CPU, you know. But don't even really need it. And also this new music kinda sucks, by the way. I know the old one was like the copyright or some shit like that. But this one just sucks. Doesn't fit the same type of thing. I bet if you searched up for boss music on YouTube, this will be one of the results. It just sounds so... I don't like it. Boop. It's slowly moving up. I don't like that. Can you not do that, maybe? Yeah, Catman just got completely obliterated. I mean, not yet, but I mean... Do you really think I'm gonna win this? No, not. I ain't winning this. Why am I doing this then? Just to show you how ridiculously difficult the stage is. And also, Big Orange Boy, can you please not miss? Kind of a big factor here on if you miss or not, just saying. I don't know if he hit or not. He probably didn't, knowing my luck. Got Hades back, but that's the ducks. I do not like the ducks. Catman just died. And there goes the rest of my goddamn crew. Yeah, you see how bullshit this stage is? How am I supposed to do this in a million years? Here's the quick answer. I'm not. I'll be able to beat Castle Cosmos 3 before I even get close to beating this stupid idiot. It's possible if the reason if they use a bunch of continues. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to go for here. Also, I really do not like these gorillas. The damage is way too high for gorillas. One of like the first enemies in the game that you encounter. Yeah, those gorillas. That had to have hit, right? That had to have hit him. He's dead. Whatever. Pretty sure that also hit him. Pretty cool. Guys, cannot move up. That'd be wonderful. Because if he moves up, all of you are dead instantly. I thought Catman died for a second. I was about to just quit. Just straight up quit. You know? Wait, we're hitting the base. Okay, that's cool. But I mean, like, we're gonna be able to, you know, kill the base and or some shit like that. In my dreams. Yeah, see, the ducks are here. The ducks ruin everything. The ducks just ruin everything. See? Thought he destroyed my entire gang. Wait, why is only one duck left? Are we actually gonna beat this? Because my point here is to say how bullshit this stage is. Me winning doesn't really show that point. But I'm fine if that's what happens. Oh god, the gorillas. Stop. Please, please no. We were doing so good, come on. We were doing so good. At least now I can rant on how this stage is bullshit again. So see, it's bullshit. Absolute, utterly bullshit. But I mean, we were so close though. Imagine if I do this on camera. That'll just be awesome. But I mean, that won't happen, right? Yeah. Not in a million years. Yeah, he's already dead. We're screwed. And owls is not. I'd appreciate that a lot. What are you doing? Cat CPU. What are you doing, Cat CPU? Spawn us some meat shields. This is why I do not like the cat CPU. It doesn't work. And sometimes it does, sure. But most times it doesn't. Catman's dead. Great. Mataratsu's dead. Great. Yeah, this is my point with this stage. It's bullshit. Like I said. Maybe for rich types, but then I don't know. But I ain't gonna win this right now. It just ain't happening. See, I mean, none of the ducks are even dying. The ducks are the most painful part of this, honestly. You just completely destroy your whole entire setup. And the gorillas is second worst, obviously. Because, I mean, look at them. They're obliterating Catman. Yeah, Catman. You know Catman? Yeah, he's dying due to some stupid gorillas. Do you notice how ridiculous that sounds? It sounds very ridiculous? Yeah, it does. Imagine Batman dying due to some stupid squirrels. That'd be just probably a pretty good comic though, or a newspaper or whatever it would be on. You know, and Catman's not dead. What? Excuse me, how? I mean, I'm fine with it, of course. But I mean, I'm just questioning, how did he not die? Completely fine with it, though. The more damage I get to Crazed tank to prove my point even further, the better. Okay, instantly kill one of the ducks. That's pretty good. Don't kill my boy already. He just got back. You're gonna murder him already. That's very rude. Very rude. Oh no, the ducks are all dead. Okay. He's moving forwards. He shouldn't be doing that. Sure, not by much, but he's still moving forwards. Stop it. Stop it. Quit it. Oh no. Guys, that man's dead. Guys. You two just hold in there. I believe in you two. Do not die on me. I believe in you two. Yes, he got a hit off. Okay, there's still hope. Not much of it, but there's still a little bit of hope. The video will probably end accidentally here before I even get close to beating this dude. Just saying. Just saying the truth, you know? Like I was saying before with the music, it just seems like some ordinary boss music you find on YouTube or some shit like that. Although it does fit stuff like the Cyclone, I could give it that much. It fits stuff like the Cyclone very well. But not for stuff like that. Oh my god, what are you doing, Cat-CPU? Please do not ruin this for me. I know I'm not gonna win, but don't make me lose in this way. That'd be great. If I don't get killed by ducks, that'd be just awful. Although we're beating them. Yeah, the ducks are being beaten. Okay, we got the ducks down. Or not. Apparently one of them somehow lived. That makes no sense. Ducks are down. That's good. Oh my god, Cat-CPU, stop acting up like that. It freaks me out because then that means I have a high chance of losing. I don't like when you do that. Stop it. Go up and died. Which means we have lots of money. Lots of money means a better chance of winning. No chance of winning. Better chance? I'd say better chance. Age is dead. Okay. Nothing out of the normal, really. Guys, please don't move up like that. I don't like it when you do that. Like, I really do not like it when you do that. Okay, Cameron got knocked back. That's fine. That's not fine. Okay, the owls are now down. We got a second Catman. That's pretty good. If the first one doesn't die, knowing how that's happening. 4,000 health. We could do this. Probably not. The ducks are killing us. Please do not kill us, Mr. Ducks. I don't like it. Oh my god, are they gonna... The ducks really gonna do this to me. Ducks, listen. Your name is... I feel you. Your name is Little Douche. That name is... Yeah, I could see why you're attacking me for that name. But I mean... Don't do this to me. Okay, they're all dead. Next stop, the gorillas. The gorillas are killing everyone. Mr. Gorilla, can you not do that? That'd be wonderful. I mean, at least my long-arm boy is alive now. He's very close to death. There he goes. He's now dead. 4,000 base health, though. Yeah, the video's about to end, so yeah. Not by choice, though. Love to keep this go rolling. But if you see Crazed take next episode, I'm just saying I beat him. I beat this stupid thing that I've hated for ever since I started playing Battle Cats. Even the Tank Maniac has haunted my dreams. I did beat it on my other account, my main. So yeah, but I mean, yeah. Kill owls. Kill the owls. The video is 30 minutes long. That's a long video. Also, how is this dude not dying yet? Like, can we talk about that? He has to be close to death, right? Okay, he's moving up, guys. I don't like that. Catman's dead. Shit. Guys, please don't fail. Catman's almost back. Almost, if that counts for anything. Guys, the ducks are approaching closer. They're getting closer. Do not let the ducks get closer. You're letting the ducks get closer. Do not do that, for the love of God. For the love of cat God, actually. Okay, we killed some of the ducks. Let's use the cat cannon for crying out loud. But I don't think neither of us are winning. Because they aren't doing too much, and we aren't doing too much. So if anything, it's going to be a stalemate. I mean, I don't think it'll be a stalemate. It's going to be either I beat him, or he beats me. Yeah, the video's about to end soon. Do it again, not by choice. But I mean, yeah. I mean, sooner or later I'll end up defeating them, I guess. He doesn't have infinite amounts of health. I gotta do stuff at 12 p.m. for crying out loud. I gotta, you know, do the Aku stage, but apparently that's a thing. Oh, too slow. Try harder next time. Don't care. I really don't. I can feel victory. Hades is dead. Maybe I can't feel victory. Maybe I can't feel anything. Maybe I can't feel anything, like, at all. Okay. We're doing pretty good. Honestly. We're doing pretty alright. Bonk. Don't ruin this for me, Mr. Gorilla. Do not ruin this for me. Don't you dare. It's ruining it for me, isn't it? Stop doing that. Please. Here's what it's in. We did it. We did it. Crazed tank is... It has been done. Crazed tank has been defeated. I've been waiting to see that icon for so long. It's gonna take me millennia before I can go to level 10. Well, I did it. It took like 16 minutes, but I did it. And honestly, this was a successful episode. And that's it for today's episode. Because I finally beat Crazed the Tank. Although, look at the difficulty. That difficulty is fake. I beat this stupid thing way easier. Only also telling me Low Tide Beach is 1 star off from whatever that abomination was. Yeah, I can't wait for Alcatraz over here. that'll probably be an interesting batch of episodes.